Well, a big welcome along to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear, and we're just about to leave one of my favourite locations. This is it's known as John's Field down here at Mildenhall, and literally right next to the runway. So if you want to see a video all about this location, just click the little icon above, and that will tell you all about it. But what we're doing, we're heading off down here. This is in Suffolk, so we're going to be staying in Suffolk, but we're going to head over to the coast. So join us, and we will see what this little campsite's like just a little bit later, so stay tuned. So where are we this time? We're between Saxmundham and Yoxford. Just leave the A12 and take the B1122, and just as you enter Theberton, you take the small lane called Pretty Lane. Do not take Hawthorne Road, and you will find this wonderful campsite. It's a perfect area for cycling and walking, plus lovely beaches are just only 3 miles away. Well, I certainly love the sight and sound of waves crashing against the beach. So hey, let's see a little bit more of this. This is down at Sizewell, a beautiful little beach, and certainly perfect for the dog walking. Hi, well, it's Stu Bear here, and it's time to do our usual walkabout around the campsite. So let's have a look. Okay, so we're down here in Suffolk. The full details are going across the bottom of the screen right now with the name of this particular CL site. It's a caravan motorhome club site, and so we'll just show you what they have here. Okay, it's 2024, so their prices for this year, it's £20 a night, and so as you can see, it's a 5-van site, hard standing, which is always a bonus, especially if you're in a motorhome. Oh, we'll go along here. When you first pull in, you'll be greeted with this water section. So let's just show you. It's always better to show you rather than explain. So with the wind blowing, it is really windy. Let's have a look. Okay, so it says welcome to Peak Hill Farm, Sheep's Meadow, and there we go. So when you first pull in, you can fill up with water. Very convenient, that, with the hose pipe already on. We showed you earlier in the video the actual as we drove in. So let's see what else we have here. So this section, this is the 5-van CL site. He has also a 10-van site, which is further down the little lane that way. He's got a little shop there. It's got it's a butcher's shop that he's got. And oh, the cows here, they are fantastic. Have a look if you've missed it, or if it's further on in the video when the cows were coming through and going to another field. Anyway, let's show you what else they have here. Now, normally when I go on a CL site, I don't normally expect toilets. I normally just expect the usual Elson point, which is just there. Again, like I normally say, it's self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into the details of that. Just there, information about what they do here, what they've done in the past, and what they sell. Special offer, top side it says 10 kilograms while stocks last. Steak barbecue packs. Ooh, that sounds nice. Sausage steaks and burgers, £20. Okay, this section, there we go. Just let me pull back. Okay, you can see this is the toilet and shower block, and I've just had a shower in here, so I better put it back to green. Okay, and we'll I know we're all nosy, aren't we? So we'll show you. It's absolutely, I love it, I really do. This the whole everything about this little site I just love. So there's a little toilet. Yeah, oh, there's Stu Bear, by the way. I don't hang around in toilets often with cameras, I can assure you. Anyway, there you go. They've got a shower, an honesty box. So unlike some of these, yeah, where you have to keep feeding 20 pence is it, and as quick as you like, they just have an honesty box. So they say, yeah, just put a £1 coin in there, all right, because we know how expensive showers with electric are. Okay, simple as that. That's great, isn't it? Yes, I love it. And don't forget, most importantly, switch the light off when you are finished. Also, oh, I forgot to mention, yes, obviously there's a mop down there, so do your Mrs. Mop bit when you're finished, and leave it nice, clean and tidy. There we go. Let's close that. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Don't catch fingers on that. Okay, just here, let's have a look. I take it this must be the toilet. Hey, oh, it says vacant, so we're okay. We didn't want to shock anybody. There we go. Hey, it's glitter time. Look at that. Goodness gracious. Hey, that's my style. I'm a man from the 70s. There we go. So hey, as I said, I don't want to spend too long filming toilets. Did I say? I don't want you getting the wrong idea of Stu Bear. Okay, what have we got around this end? As you see, drinking water tap. You can do your recycling there, and for the normal waste further around, just behind the hedge here, there's a red skip. So that's where you put your normal household waste, right? So what more can we say? Well, I'll tell you what we can say. Let's take the drone up and see what it's like from the air. We will, don't forget, keep on watching, keep on enjoying the videos, and keep on supporting the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear right here. Don't forget, we have a special discount on electric bikes from Hoogie Bikes, and this is their folder. Perfect for the motorhomers, and hey, just see our video for all the information and that special discount. Did we mention cows?
Please find the cow. back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. I'm losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we held too long. Sometimes it's alright just to be a little wrong, with no sense of consequence, the strength to carry on. The day breaks in the darkest places right before the dawn. So if you ever lie awake with situations in your mind, and you try to sleep it off, but night keeps on passing by, you're losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a reason to hold on, blowing like a hurricane right inside of me and you. No blues or avenues can take away my stride. When love's standing holding hands right here by my side. So if you want,
Yet another fantastic campsite in a beautiful, quiet location. All of the usual links are under the video in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget, keep on supporting, enjoying and watching The Traveling Bear with Stu Bear. Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Traveling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Traveling Bear with Stu Bear.